So all you need to do is copy and paste, and you'll be making $13 per minute. That is almost $800 per hour. Not only I'm going to show you how to make $800 per hour, but I'll be showing you some tricks here and methods that you can use to maximize your earnings with this platform I'm going to show you in the next minute. Okay, so sit back and relax and make sure you take notes, all right, on what I'm going to show you on today's video. And so you want to stay to the end of this video and understand the methods, because you don't want to miss any part of this video. Because when you miss any part from this video, you won't understand the method I'm about to show you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell button, so anytime when I make videos like this every week, all right, you'll be the first one to get notified. And make sure you leave comment below, because I do read all the comments and I answer to all the comments. Make sure that you give this video also a thumbs up. That is all I'm asking from you, because this is what will make me know that you all are getting value on my videos. All right, this platform I'm going to show you today is Paydera. I don't know if I pronounce it very good. Paydera. It's a platform. It's a survey platform where you can make survey. Okay, you turn your time into money. This is what they write there, and you can make paid survey and also other taxes on this platform. All right, let's just go ahead and check their survey. It's right, says check our survey. Let's go ahead and check their survey. As you can see, all right, they have so many survey here. There's one for 40 cents, there's for 50 cents, there's one for 35 cents here. Let's go more further. As you can see, they have so many surveys here that you can do to earn money. Let's go back to their home. So in the next minute, I will show you the proofs, okay, of that this platform is legit. You can see here you get instant payment. Also, they make payment with PayPal, but we'll soon go to that. Okay, you can also upload videos. This is a complete survey, so you can make sign up task. Okay, you can invite friends, you write about us, and so on. They've paid 970K already, yeah, and they have already 5 million taxes completed. Okay, guys, and now let's go to the proof. Let me just show you their proof to make you know that this platform is legit. As you can see, here are the reviews on their payment that they already made, that has been made already. Okay, these are the proofs, and you can read this. I have received the money. I'm glad to work with this website, and I have friends to give advice. So I think this is from Thailand. There is a review from Bangladesh. Let me highlight it for you guys that you see. Okay, there is a review from Bulgaria, and there's another review from Brazil. Okay, and let me show you one more. Hungary, a review from Hungary. So this is to make you know that this platform are legit and they're paying really. This is a review from Indian to make you know that this, to sign up, you just need to go to create an account, and you click your first name, last name, username, and email, and you generate the password, and we are ready to use this platform. Okay, let me sign into my account. Sign into my account. Yeah, as you can see, I newly joined this platform, and what I want to show you here, guys, is let's go to one of their taxes. If you want to do a survey, you just click here at the bar at the left side here. Okay, this is one of their popular offers. You earn 259 cents, or you earn 40 cents, 360 cents. So they have different price of surveys, okay, here in this platform. Okay, what I want to show you is that let's go to their surveys. We have a survey of 50 cents, 25 cents, 16 cents, and so on. Okay, like this one here. Let's just make this 10-cent survey. Okay, you can start the survey. All right, guys, as you can see, this is a ad. They have the ad here. And let's read the first question. Firstly, can you tell me which program area you study in? All right, you don't even need to tell them the truth. You have some option here. You can, let's say for example, engineer and computer. Okay, but what I want to tell you is that, say, this is where this platform get their own money. This is how they leave advert, okay, on their survey platforms for people to see the adverts, okay. And this, through this advert, this is how they get the money. By clicking on this advert, they will earn money from it. All right, and this is how this company survive, and they pay you a little bit cut off from the money they earn. All right, so this is it. Oh, we already shows the answer for first one, for the first question. Okay, and you see another ads here, and click on next. Okay guys, so we say that in every survey they have almost 3 adverts on it. Okay, so this is how they show their adverts to people. Okay, scroll down to continue. What is paid surveys? What shouldn't I do? These are the irrelevant question. You just need to click continue. Okay, these are very simple surveys to earn 10 cents. Okay, so this is the second question. How often do you participate in sport or physical activity? You don't even need to be true. You can also be unrealistic here. Okay, you can say weekly, you can say daily. Let's just say daily. Yeah, just click daily and advert, and we can go to the next. I'm just doing this, guys, to show you, to make you see what you can be expecting with this platform. Okay, it shows another ad here again, and we go to continue again. How many hours a week on average do you participate in sport or physical activity? Okay, you can just say, let me say 1 to 2 hours. All right, and advert again. Let's go to the next. Would you like to practice in sport at college? You may answer no, you may answer yes. Okay, when I answer yes, you scroll to continue again. You see the ads. Okay, this is how this platform make their money. Yeah, you can go more further. We go more further. Go to continue. All right, continue, and we can see the 5th question. What sport activity would you like the opportunity to participate in? Let's say athletics. Yeah, and that's how the question for. So every page you have 1 question, and you have 3 advertisement plays on these pages. All right, so that's it, guys. But mostly in the next seconds, I will show you how to maximize your earnings with this platform. Okay, the 6th question. If you would like to do activities at college, when would you like to do them? Let's say lunch time. We go to click the next. Another, you see, so another advertisement page. Click continue, and so on. Okay, for example, what do they write there? Do you participate in sport or physical activity through a local club? So we can even lie with these answers. All right, you don't have anything to lose. So that's just it with this platform, and this part of their earning. This is a kind of method that you can use to earn money with this platform. Let's go more further. Go to our dashboard. As you can see, okay, you share referral link up to $3 per 1,000 click. Okay, and plus 10 cents per valid referral. Guys, if you stay to the end of this video, I will soon show you strategies that you can use to maximize your earning on this platform. This is what I'll go into in the next minute. First of all, to maximize your earnings with this platform, you want to go to a social platform like Facebook. You want to join Facebook groups. All right, you want to join Facebook groups, and for example, you see here they have 166,000 members. Yeah, I already joined all these groups, and imagine this is a group that when you share a link here, you have a possibility there's more than 100 people are going to click on this link. And we see on this platform, get paid per click. All right, when somebody click on your referral link, you get paid for that. So this is why you want to go to platform like Facebook. You want to go to Facebook, and you want to go to their groups and try to create value for people who need help. I will show you what a link or what you can just paste here, okay, and how you can paste your referral link for many people to see it, okay, and have the possibility of clicking on your referral link. Okay, I will leave a link in the description for this script here, okay, that you can copy and use it in Facebook groups. So you want to copy this, as you can see, this is how I'll write, are you interested in making money online today? This free app has unlimited offer for you to start making money now. Okay, at the end I put sign up here, and this is where we're going to put the referral link. Yeah, this is where we're going to put the referral link. Okay, let me copy and paste this to show you how you do it yourself. And we want to go to this post. We want to paste it here. So there's still one thing we need to change, which I will change in a second. And you want to go to Paydera and copy your referral link. And this referral link, you're going to copy it here, and you're going to paste it. You want to paste it here, and that's all, guys. That's how to do it. And you can now post this to groups. Okay, you can do this several times. If I were you, I would join so many groups as possible to make the possibility of getting more clicks on your referral to be high. And this is how to end with this platform. All right, guys, let's just make a little calculation here. Okay, we earn 10 cents per click, assuming we have, okay, times, assuming we have 100 clicks, that is $10. Okay, and plus the $3 here, okay, that's $13 per minute. Assuming we have 100 people clicking on our links, on our referral link, that is $13. Okay, and we can times this times 60 minutes in an hour, we have $780. All right, guys, this is how you make roughly. You can even make more than this with this method I showed you in this platform. If you get much value on this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell button, so anytime when I make new methods like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. All right, I'll make sure I read your comment and I reply to your comment as soon as I read the comment. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, if you get value from it, this is all I ask of you guys. This is how I'm going to know that you people are getting value on my video. All right, I will make sure I leave a link in the description, okay, for the script. All right, so you can use it on any groups you like, you join. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.